Everybody, good morning. Oh, it's Monday at 8:54. I have to go to class today at 10 o'clock. I have an exam. So, um, I don't know if I'll be able to place a trade in the AM session because I have to leave my house 9:15 and then from 9:15 to basically almost 11, I would say. So like fucking 9 to 11, I'll be taking my exam and driving to school. So, I won't really be able to trade, but just marking shit out. We have this weekly low and that one. This is kind of the same. But I marked this one because we kind of just created equal lows. On ES, we already swept them. But we have these as well, which are very close. That Nasdaq has also swept. It's just the way the price works, I guess. So, um, I'm not gonna lie, my bias is bearish, obviously. Clinky clank. Um, so if price wants to come up, sweep out London high and then go lower, that would be nice. Or we might just shit the bed. Because NQ traded within a 4 hour fair value gap. CSD lower. We created equal lows. And we're just ranging. If you look at Asian and London, this is bad. So I'm expecting New York to actually have some type of, nice movement. But there's not a whole lot to mark. This is the hourly candles. Like, where is this? This is the hourly. There's not a whole lot going on. We have an hourly value gap all the way up there. But I just want to have these lows marked out. I'm not really seeing a whole lot. 8:30 opened up. When did the daily candle open up? I think it's right here, no? Yeah, 6. So the hourly opened up and we went lower. Is there anything that's supporting price? Gotta look at the monthly. This is also a monthly low. Holy shit. Holy shit. Holy shit. I think we're heading down to this. This is a nice area here. This is at 1800. So I think my overall target is lower, you know, delivering from this weekly imbalance and this little like volume imbalance here. Volume imbalance, we're going, even like kind of the same thing. We're going lower. My bias is bearish. Hey everybody, yo, yo, yo. It is, it's fucking time for uh, um, New York to be closed. However, let's go over my trades that I took today. I was MIA from the charts from 9:15 to I didn't look at the charts until like 11:30. Yeah, over here. So like over here. So just to go over, I there's one trade that I would have taken. I would like to think I would have taken it. It's a long setup here, and a lot of people I know, like on social media, TikTok, Instagram, Twitter, whatever, took longs here. I wouldn't have, even though we did sweep out a weekly low, which was really nice. I'm not gonna just, oh, we swept out a weekly low. Let's long the first 1 minute inverse. No, I'm not doing that. However, there is an opportunity where I would have taken it. So I do want to, for the sake of actually, like, let's say I actually did take this in real time. I want to see something. This 15-minute fair value gap was right here. So scale back down. Okay. So I wouldn't have taken this long setup. However, we disrespected this 1 minute, and then we had this little 1 minute Now, I don't know if I would have longed here. I'm gonna be honest, probably not. You could target that 15-minute uh, high or the 15-minute fair value gap. I don't know if I would have taken this, but however, we broke structure. Fair value gap that broke this high right here was respected. Um, and you had a 15 and a 30-second inverse. Today you got the best entry though, and you want or entered around here. Even just targeting this 15-minute fair value gap still was 40 points. More than enough. Once we take this, or once we tap this 15-minute, scale sell, move stops to break even. Final TP, probably you could take some off here, and then the rest would have been stopped out at break even. But this was, a very nice. You're not risking that much. This was a very nice trade. If I was taking longs here, I'd put my stop below this 1 minute low. Now, I like this one a lot more than the rest because, I mean, this one to me is kind of stupid. You took this and you just got lucky that it ended up working out. This one, not too bad, but I still probably would have waited until bam, we broke structure and fair value bam, and bada bing, bada boom. I want to see if there's anything. We had a 5 minute fair value gap here though this whole time. It's 5 minute. I don't know. It's a little funky. We have these 3 minutes. Nothing on a 3 minute inverse or the 2 minute inverse. I don't know. Like this longs here were not bad. Like I would think I would have taken, a piece of the pie there. Then we came back down. Did we come down into? Yeah, we did. We came down into discount of this range. I think we had a 5 minute fair value gap here as well. We did. 5 minute fair value gap. Is there a 1 minute entry anywhere here? 1 minute fair value gap. So you could have taken this. I'm not even gonna lie. That was actually kind of nice as well. And if you did take this long, then this is a lot better of a long entry because you would have taken profit. I don't know, maybe here at these highs. Let's just say here for the sake of it getting hit. And then if you moved your stops break even, you never got filled that break even, and we went up a whole lot more. So actually, this was a better trade. This was at 10:30. I kind of wish I traded this morning because there was actually nice trades. And then once we took out, you could have targeted London's high. This was the long setup right here, and then you were in a lot of chop, but eventually we got up pretty nicely. I marked out this 15-minute OB. That price was respecting very nicely, like fucking 5 times, 6 times. But besides the initial long setups here, I'm not really seeing a whole lot you could have traded or taken. Now, I'm not gonna lie to you guys. I was looking for a trade around here, but I wanted to long, or I wanted to long this fair value gap and ended up getting fucked. I wanted to long this one and ended up getting fucked. I didn't want to short. I wanted to long. I mean, after I had two trade ideas and they didn't work because what I wanted to see to enter didn't happen. I was like, fuck that, we're just ranging. And we were. Now I did capitalize on longs here. I could go over the trade, but it was honestly pretty fucking stupid. I took longs here. We had this fair value gap. I was like, all right, like I do want a long because we were so bullish. I wasn't gonna guess the bottom or the top. We had this 1 minute inverse, and I got a really good entry. I think I entered like around here. I'm not gonna lie. I had my stop here, and uh, I think um, this was the trade. And once I was in profit about $200, I was waiting on whether or not to just sell right away, but I ended up waiting like a tad bit longer. And we got 315. So that, I mean, it was a stupid trade. Like normally I would not pick that, but I just wanted at least 200 bucks so it can count as a winning day. So I'm not even gonna lie. Uh, like if you weren't, taking really, really, really stupid trades, if you see prices moving up and like and you just need like $200, prices moving up, just hit buy. There's a very good chance you're gonna get it. So Monday's price action wasn't that bad. I'm not gonna like here. It looks kind of choppy on the five, but there was there was a decent amount of trades that you could have taken, both shorting and longing, and you would have made. Now, going into tomorrow, the rest of the week, I'll be able to trade like normal times. Wait a minute. Tomorrow's Tuesday. So, yeah, no, but I'll be fine by. Okay, yeah. So, the rest of the week will be fine trading wise. Like, I'll be able to sit here and record. Tuesday, we got big news. We have PMI and Georgia job openings. We're gonna have some volatility there. Wednesday looks good. Non-farm employment change at 8:15. Thursday, we have 8:30 news. I like that. Thursday was going to be a good day. And then Friday, ooh, maybe you can catch like an early trade, like between 8:30, maybe like 10:30. And then after that, and then you could trade PM session on Friday, but I don't like trading PM session on Friday. Well, so we'll see if we can catch like an early AM trade Friday. Thursday, Wednesday, Tuesday, I might honestly wait until after 10, but we'll see. So let's just go over one more thing. Let's see how we are looking like on the higher time frames. So we did sweep out this is the weekly lows. Once and on here, I marked out these lows, which are relative equal. Weekly relative equal lows, which is a huge, I feel like, magnet for price if we are going to continue to be bearish. And this is actually a daily order block right here. Right here. Yeah. That ES has tapped into and MQ hasn't. So I'm sure there actually might be an SMT. But we did tap into a daily order block. We're delivering from a weekly for that. Oh, this is a weekly order block. Oh, shit. Weekly order block. Daily looks like this. We're going to have a daily fair value gap here. Adrian and Lennon probably might trade into it. Some bullshit chop. And then, when New York opens, I'm expecting, honestly, to be bearish. Main target now. What is this black line? Does this mean anything? Oh, that was that 5 or 15-minute fair value gap. Doesn't mean shit. My main target now for price is fucking far for this week. I'm not even gonna lie. I'm gonna say it's honestly probably down there, which is about 1,400 points, which may seem like a lot. I mean, at the rate we are falling, I don't really think this will be too crazy. This is that weekly low. The weekly high, I don't even think. So my main target for price this whole week, I think as of right now, is this weekly low unless price tells me something different. I don't want this video being too long, so I'm probably gonna call it. I'll go over like the rest of like how we're moving on the higher time frames probably tomorrow pre-market. Yeah, dude, I'm fucking bearish. We do have an SMT, but it's with this high, which I honestly don't mind. If MT wants to trade up and tap it, let me delete this OB. So this is what I'm seeing. That's what I hope for price. I think honestly we're gonna, go down. Like we disrespected this daily fair value gap and volume imbalance. I'm fucking bearish, dude. So I'm gonna see you guys tomorrow for our normal trading. I hope I didn't look fucking crazy. For our normal trading, fucking bullshit, whatever. So today we're up 300. So my account balance is only, I'm not gonna lie to you guys, it was in the negative. Like I'm going back and forth between negative and positive. So And today was my third winning day. So 2 more days and I have enough to request the payout, but I'm not gonna until a while. Unless I have a crazy day, but I'm not gonna, force a crazy day. Because honestly, I'm gonna build my account balance up to that $2,000 buffer, and then anything over 2,000, I'll withdraw. And then once I build my account balance up from maybe 2,000 to 3,000, I'll size up a little bit, and an extra few micros, and we'll see how that goes. But as of right now, like when I'm able to request the payout, I'm not. I mean, I don't really need the money right this second. I do have fucking a big bill coming up. Anyway, I'm fucking rambling. I'm gonna see you guys tomorrow.